the Jubilee clip through the back of the bracket, through the other side, the other side of the Jubilee clip, tam torque tool, clockwise, mounting a sign on the brackets with a large hole at the top. To unlock the sign with your crown key, turn and squeeze at the same time, bottom lock, turn and squeeze, open the sign.
Yep.
Once the bracket's took out, release the battery, take the plug out, remove the battery. Put the battery back in, plug into the socket, face up, brief overview of the MVAS. You've got the main LED driver boards, the speed selector, the Houston breakout board with the Bluetooth connection, the LED display modules and the Houston radar detecting the vehicles. Switch the sign on from the off position to the selected position.